Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to download and install Block Blast application on your Android device. Whether you are using Android mobile phone or tablets, this process will help you out in just a few simple steps. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and launch open your Google Play Store. After opening up your Google Play Store, tap on search at the bottom of the screen. Go to the search bar at the top and type in Block Blast and search. Look for the Block Blast app from Hungry Studio and tap on install right next to it. Wait for the app to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. Once the installation is complete, tap play right next to it to open up the app. Follow through the instructions and you will then be able to play Block Blast on your Android device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.